In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text notes to your TradingView charts. If you're someone who loves using TradingView for your technical analysis and wants to annotate your charts efficiently, you're going to find this guide incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to ensure your TradingView platform is open and you're looking at the chart where you intend to add your notes. This is a straightforward and important step because it sets the foundation for everything else you'll be doing. It's always a good idea to have your chart layout ready before initiating any annotations. Once your chart is opened, you'll need to locate the drawing tools on your TradingView interface. This is generally found on the left-hand side of your screen. The drawing tool icon looks like a simple line or pen, and when you hover over it, a variety of options will pop out. This toolbox is your go-to area for any graphical needs, whether you're drawing lines, shapes, or, as we'll do today, adding text. From the list that appears, look for the T-Text tool. This tool is designed specifically for adding textual notes to your chart. Clicking on this will switch your cursor into text mode, specifically poised to input any notes or remarks you'd like to document. It's quite handy because you can clearly mark up significant insights directly on your charts. Now, with the text tool selected, tap directly on the area of your chart where you want your note to appear. A default text box will pop up, which you can fill with whatever message or note you have in mind.